Okay, so I'm outside here in front of 12740 Seaside Key Court. This is a view down the street this way. Here's the front of the house, and it has three pretty mature royal palms in front. Remember that this place, they do all the maintenance of all the grass on this one too. Nice front end. And then you're right here at the end of the cul-de-sac on this place. So it's real nice, easy in and out, so on and so forth. It has a gate up front, and you do have to call in unless you're a resident here, and then you get a fob that will allow you to come right on in. Just go up here to the front door, make sure there's I can get in and take a look. Looks like somebody's just done a whole lot of landscape work in here not too long ago. All right, I'll turn it back on when I get in. Okay, so here's the front of the front door, and this is non-impact resistant glass. Nor is that up there. You can see by the stays that are on either side. They do have metal that you put over the top of them when in a hurricane season. All right, and if you're not going to be here. All right, so this is the hallway coming in, and we're going to go over here to the left first. We have a bedroom here, which is a nice sized bedroom. It has a probably a queen size bed in here. Nice closet area. All right, go in. There's a bathroom right here, and this one has it's a tub shower combination. Looks to be in good shape. And here is the second bedroom. Looks pretty good size too. About the same size as the other one. I think they're like mirrors. And then we'll go back in here. And to the right, immediately off to the right, in that same hallway, we have your furnace closet. Okay. They do have a security system on the house. So they have that. This goes out to the garage. Which is a basic 2-car garage, but this a little bit deeper. As you can see, it's about 8 feet deeper. So if you had a golf cart or something like that that you want to put in here, you could. This neighborhood does have golf cart access, but they seem to be doing a lot of fishing here. So, all right. And then there is a den / office on this side over here. And then you have your laundry room, washer dryer, complete with the sink. All right, we'll go back out here into the main part of the house, which is part of what you all want to see. Triple sliders on the back. Open up, 2 of them will open up. The other one stays in place, but they open up both ways. Beautiful kitchen, nice granite countertops. Nice backsplash. A dining area place. Looks really nice in here. I've got it ready for showings. Here's the master bedroom, which is really big, and that's a super king. I think it's really a big bed. And when you look back here, this is going into the master bath. There are 2 closets, one on either side. One is extra large and has shelving on either side, along with 2 stacks for clothing. And on the other side, it has a little bit smaller, but it's like his. It still has plenty of space to put clothing in. Double vanity. Necessity room over there, large shower. Okay, single head, but it's still a large shower. And then a soaker tub. All right, let's go back out and we'll look at the swimming pool area so that you can have a look at what that looks like. see if I can. Oh, they got special hooks on it so it stays down in there. As you can see down here, it's got a spot where you can actually put a lock in it. Going out here, this is a paver deck back here. Real nice pool. Complete with a waterfall. You back up to Hancock Bridge Road, but you really don't hear it. Very nice, entertaining space here. Plenty of space for a grill. It does not have hookup for a sink, but you can get your grill out here. And that's going to be just about it for this tour. Thanks. Let me know.